Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at something a lot of AirPod users might find incredibly useful. A replacement right earbud specifically designed for the third generation AirPods. Model A2565. Losing or damaging an AirPod is a real pain, so the idea of a readily available replacement is definitely appealing. Let's dive in and see if this JI-Accept replacement earbud lives up to the promise. This product is aimed squarely at those who have lost or broken their right AirPod 3rd gen. It's not a pair, it's just a single right earbud. The listing emphasizes compatibility specifically with the 3rd generation AirPods released in 2021, and they even provide the model number to double-check. A2565. This is great because it takes the guesswork out of compatibility. Nobody wants to order a replacement only to find out it doesn't work with their specific AirPods. One of the key things highlighted is the seamless connection. The description assures us that this replacement will sync up perfectly with your existing left AirPod and charging case. However, there's a crucial detail in the product description. You absolutely must use the original Apple charging case, model A2566, for the initial pairing. Third-party charging cases won't work for syncing this replacement earbud. They also recommend charging the new earbud along with your original left AirPod in the case for at least 30 minutes before attempting to pair. If it doesn't sync on the first try, they suggest another 30 minutes of charging. This initial charging and syncing process seems a little more involved than just popping in a new AirPod, but it's essential to follow these instructions for proper functionality. Another important point is that this replacement earbud is not designed for standalone use. You can't just use this right earbud by itself. It needs its companion left AirPod to function correctly. This makes sense, as most AirPod features rely on the interaction between both earbuds. The listing also mentions customer satisfaction, offering replacements or refunds for defective products. This is always reassuring, especially with replacement parts. It shows the manufacturer stand behind their product. Now, while the product description provides a lot of information, there are some things I'd love to see clarified. For example, details about the sound quality compared to the original AirPod would be helpful. Does it deliver the same audio fidelity? What about battery life? Is it comparable to the original? These are questions potential buyers will likely have. Overall, this replacement right earbud for 3rd gen AirPods seems like a practical solution for a common problem. The clear compatibility information and the emphasis on using the original charging case for syncing are helpful. The customer satisfaction guarantee adds a layer of confidence. However, more information about sound quality and battery life would make this an even more compelling offering. If you've lost or damaged your right AirPod 3rd generation, this could be a worthwhile option to explore. Just remember to follow the syncing instructions carefully. I hope this overview has been helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.